Stop for a moment. Before you scroll, before you listen like it's just another English lesson, let me ask you something honestly. When you think about your life right now, do you feel proud of it?
Or do you feel like you're surviving, but not really moving forward?
Another year passed. Days came and went. Mornings looked the same. Nights ended the same.
And deep inside, you told yourself, next year will be different.
Now that next year is here.
2026.
And the real question is not, what do I want?
The real question is, what am I willing to change?
Because life doesn't change when the calendar changes.
Life changes when you change your actions.
Today, we're not here to motivate you for 5 minutes.
We're here to give you simple steps you can actually follow.
No complicated plans.
No big words.
Just real thinking.
Real habits.
Real change.
And while you listen, you'll also practice real English.
Welcome back to Speak English Daily. I'm Anna.
And I'm David.
And today, we're talking about how to change your life for the better in 2026.
6 simple steps.
Not easy steps.
But simple.
Before we begin, a quick reminder.
If you want real English for real life.
Not school English.
Not exam English.
But English that helps you think, reflect, and grow.
Subscribe to Speak English Daily.
Like this episode.
And share it with someone who wants 2026 to feel different.
All right, let's begin.
The first step to changing your life is uncomfortable.
It's not motivation.
It's honesty.
You cannot change a life you are lying about.
Many people say, I'm fine.
But fine means stuck.
Fine means tired but quiet.
So the first thing you must do in 2026 is this.
Tell yourself the truth.
About your habits.
About your time.
About your excuses.
Ask yourself simple questions.
How do I spend my mornings?
How do I spend my evenings?
What do I do when I feel stressed?
What do I do when I feel bored?
Most people already know what's wrong.
They just avoid saying it out loud.
Maybe you sleep late every night.
Maybe you waste hours on your phone.
Maybe you keep saying one day instead of today.
In 2026, stop hiding from yourself.
You don't need to judge yourself.
You just need to see clearly.
Because clarity creates power.
When you see your life clearly, you can finally change it.
Now let's talk about the second step. And this step changes everything.
Stop waiting for motivation.
Motivation is unreliable.
Some days you feel it.
Most days you don't.
Successful people don't wait to feel ready.
They move first.
Then motivation follows.
In 2026, stop saying, I'll start when I feel motivated.
Start when you feel tired.
Start when you feel unsure.
Start when you feel scared.
Because action builds confidence.
Confidence does not come before action.
It comes after.
If you want to improve your English,
speak even when you feel shy.
If you want to improve your health,
move even when you feel lazy.
If you want to improve your life,
do something small every day. Which brings us to the third step.
Make your goals smaller.
Not weaker.
Smaller.
Most people fail because their goals are too big.
I will change my whole life.
I will wake up at 5 a.m. every day.
I will be perfect.
That doesn't work.
Your brain gets overwhelmed.
And overwhelmed brains quit.
In 2026, think smaller.
Instead of, I will speak English fluently.
Say, I will speak English for 5 minutes a day.
Instead of, I will get fit.
Say, I will walk for 10 minutes.
Instead of, I will read books.
Say, I will read 1 page.
Small actions remove fear.
And small actions done daily change your identity.
You don't rise to your goals.
You fall to your habits.
Which leads us to step 4.
Change your environment, not your willpower.
Willpower is weak.
Environment is strong.
If your phone is next to you, you will use it.
If junk food is near you, you will eat it.
If English is not around you, you will forget it.
So design your environment.
Put your phone away when you work.
Keep a notebook near your bed.
Change your phone language to English.
Listen to English while walking.
Make the right choice easier.
And the wrong choice harder.
You don't need more discipline.
You need better systems.
Now let's talk about step 5, and this one is emotional.
Stop comparing your life to others.
Comparison steals peace.
You see someone's success.
But you don't see their struggles,
You see the result.
not the process.
In 2026, focus on your own progress.
Ask yourself one question every night. Did I improve even 1% today?
That is enough.
Your life is not a race.
It's a direction.
As long as you're moving forward.
You are winning.
Now, let's talk about the final step, and this one connects everything.
Learn to reflect, not just react.
Most people live on autopilot
Wake up, work, scroll, sleep.
and repeat.
In 2026, pause.
At the end of the day, ask yourself,
What went well today?
what didn't go well?
What can I do better tomorrow?
Reflection turns experience into wisdom,
Without reflection, years pass.
but nothing changes.
With reflection, even hard days teach you something.
And slowly, quietly,
Your life begins to shift.
not overnight,
Not magically.
but realistically.
Let's talk directly to you now.
You, listening,
Yes, you.
you don't need to fix your entire life this year.
You just need to stop repeating the same year again.
Change one habit,
One thought,
one routine.
and let that be the start.
2026 doesn't need a new you,
It needs a more honest you,
a more consistent you.
a more patient you.
And remember,
Progress feels boring before it feels powerful.
stay with it.
Trust the process.
If this episode made you think,
If it made you pause,
if it made you reflect,
that means it worked.
keep practicing English with us.
Keep improving your life with small steps.
Subscribe to Speak English Daily.
Because learning English is not just about language.
It's about learning how to think. And when you change how you think,
You change how you live.
we'll see you in the next episode.
Take care.
And make 2026 count.